All right, let's take a closer look at B.Tech High-Tech Dr.Rangarajan Dr.Sakunthala Engineering College. It's located in Avadi, Chennai, and its TNEA Code is 1122. We're going to dive right in and see what this college is all about.
So when you're looking at a long list of colleges, you're probably asking yourself, why should I consider this one? Let's cut right to the chase and look at the key highlights that might make B.Tech High-Tech stand out for you.
Okay, first big thing you need to know. This is an autonomous institution. Now, what does that really mean for you as a student? Well, it means the college has the freedom to design its own syllabus, update it quickly to match what the industry wants, and even conduct its own exams. And it does all this while still being affiliated to any university, which is a huge plus.
This college isn't new on the block. It was established way back in 2002, so it's been around for more than 20 years now. It's managed by the RS Trust, which gives you an idea of the solid foundation and history it has in Tamil Nadu's engineering education scene.
Now, here's a really important quality signal. The college has been accredited with an A grade by NAAC, and just to put a number on that, they've got a CGPA of 3.27. That's a strong score, and definitely something to pay attention to. We're noting that this info is as per their own website.
All right, let's dig a bit deeper now. Who are they really? Let's talk about the college's identity and its background.
So let's get the facts straight. The full name is a mouthful, but it's an autonomous, self-financing college. It was founded by Colonel Prof. Dr. Rangarajan and Dr. Sakunthala Rangarajan. Now for admissions, and this is key, 65% of the seats are filled through TNEA counseling. The remaining 35% are under the management quota, so you have two ways to get in.
Okay, this is probably what you're most interested in. What can you actually study here, and how good are the courses? Let's jump into the programs and accreditations.
We're talking about a pretty big intake here. The college has a total of 930 approved seats just for its BE and B.Tech programs. That gives you a good sense of the size and scale of their undergraduate engineering wing. And here's the breakdown of those seats. You can see they have a lot of options. Look at the numbers for AI and data science and computer science, 180 seats each. That shows a big focus on the computer-related fields. But they also have a solid offering in core branches like ECE, mechanical, and even chemical and biotech. You might want to hit pause here and find the branches that you're aiming for.
One thing that really stands out is that they're not stuck in the past. They've recently added some really new-age specializations, specifically artificial intelligence and data science, and also AI and machine learning. This is a huge deal if you're looking to get into these high-growth areas right from the start of your degree.
So with all these programs on offer, how do you know which ones are, top-notch? Well, one of the best ways to judge is by looking for NBA accreditation. And in this college, 2 of their programs have cleared that high bar.
So which ones are they? It's the B.Tech in Information Technology and the BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Both of these are NBA accredited, and that stamp of approval is valid all the way until June 2026. That's a really solid guarantee of quality for these 2 specific departments. At the end of the day, after 4 years of hard work, what really matters is getting a good job, right? So let's talk about the big question on every parent's and student's mind, placements.
Okay, let's look at the numbers. The college has reported a placement percentage of 70%. And it's important to know where this number comes from. It's the official data they submitted to TNEA for the 2025 season, so it serves as a pretty clear benchmark. And who's hiring from here? Well, the list includes some of the biggest names in the IT industry. We're talking about TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, Wipro, and Cognizant. These are the kinds of companies students are aiming for, and according to the college, they are the top recruiters.
Academics and jobs are crucial, for sure. But what's it like to actually live and study here every day? Let's take a look at the campus essentials, the things that make up student life.
If your child is going to be staying on campus, this is for you. The college has separate permanent hostels for both boys and girls, which is a big relief for many parents. And when it comes to food, the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals, so there are options for everyone.
Getting to and from the college is another practical thing to think about. They have their own bus services, which is convenient. But if you're using public transport, the main landmark to know is the Avadi railway station. The campus is about 9 kilometers from there, so it's fairly accessible.
What about financial aid? This is an important topic. The college facilitates a range of government scholarships for students who are eligible.
This includes the SC/ST scholarship, the BC/MBC scholarship, and the very popular First Graduate Scholarship, as well as aid for minority students. So there are definitely avenues for support. Now, a top college does more than just teach from textbooks. It pushes the boundaries. Let's quickly see what Veltech High-Tech is doing when it comes to research and building for the future. They've got some serious initiatives going on. For starters, there's an AICTE-funded Center of Excellence for Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. That's a big deal. Their Institute Innovation Center also has a 4-star rating from the government. And if that's not enough, they also have Anna University recognized research centers for both chemistry and physics.
Now, just to be completely clear, all the facts and figures we've discussed today are based on data we gathered from the college's own website and from trusted government portals, and we've made sure it's all current as of March 2026.
To help you make the best decision, you can explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com. It's your true source for all your 12th to engineering decisions.